Welcome to UBAI, your go-to platform for building, fine-tuning, and deploying custom models with a few clicks. By watching this video, you'll learn how to use every feature that UBAI has to offer, from preparing your dataset to fine-tuning and deploying your model. Let's get started. When you first log in, you'll land on the dashboard, the central hub for all model building activities. The platform is designed for both beginners and experts, allowing you to fine-tune models without extensive coding knowledge. To fine-tune a model, the first thing you need is data. UBAI offers an easy way to manage and create your datasets directly on the platform. Let's go ahead and explore how it works. To create a new dataset, navigate to the Dataset tab and click the New Dataset button. You'll be presented with four options: text-based, for processing unstructured text at the word or character level; document-based, ideal for OCR processing of scanned PDFs and images; image-based, which assigns classes to individual images; and prompt and response, designed for fine-tuning large language model. For this tutorial, we'll be working with this dataset type. After naming your dataset and selecting a language, you'll have two options: upload your own CSV file and map the columns, or generate data from scratch. To generate data, choose a base model, provide a system prompt and user prompt, and add a text input if needed. Then click the Generate button to produce an output. Repeat this process to build a well-structured dataset. You can also edit or regenerate responses. Make sure to validate each row in your dataset. To do this, simply click the Validate button. If you're working with multiple files, you can also bulk validate them all at once. Once your dataset is ready, you can move on to fine-tuning. Here, you'll need to select a model type that best fits your data. Next, enter a model name and assign the dataset you just created. Before proceeding, take a moment to review the dataset to ensure all examples are relevant. If you find any incorrect entries, simply mark them as rejected to exclude them from training. To start training, select a base model from the available options, adjust hyperparameters, and click Start Training. The training process may take some time depending on the dataset size and complexity. Once completed, your model will be marked as trained and ready for evaluation. Go to the Playground tab to test your fine-tuned model. Enter a system prompt and a user prompt to see how the model responds. For a deeper evaluation, head over to the Metrics tab, where you can check key performance indicators. UBAI also offers a monitoring feature, which uses an LLM as a judge to assess the quality of generated outputs, helping you understand how well your model is performing in different scenarios. Once you're happy with your model's performance, it's time to deploy it and start using it in real-world applications. Here's how to integrate your fine-tuned model. Click on your model and navigate to the API section. The platform will generate a code snippet and a key that you can use to call your model. Simply copy the provided code snippet and integrate it into your application. This makes it easy to access and use your fine-tuned model in a variety of projects. And that's it. You're now ready to start.